This is the HTC Imagio, and in this video we're going to show you how to take it apart so you can perform a screen repair if you have cracked your screen. First, remove the back cover and then the battery from the phone. Also remove the SIM card and the memory card. Next, using a Torx 5 screwdriver available at repairsuniverse.com, remove the 5 screws from the phone and also remove the stylus pen. Once all the screws are removed, using a safe pry tool, run it along the edges of the phone to release the clips. Once all the clips have been released, you will be able to remove the back housing from the phone to reveal the motherboard underneath. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws as being pointed out here now in the video. Next, using the safe pry tool, open the jaw clip on the bottom left part of the motherboard and then release the ribbon cable. Next, lift the motherboard gently from the top, being careful because there is ribbon cables still connected underneath. Using the safe pry tool again, open the jaw connector and then ease out the ribbons. You can then remove the motherboard from the phone. Next, turn the phone over and using a safe pry tool, run it between the frame and the glass of the phone to ease up the glass which is being held in place with adhesive. Once you have released the glue, you can gently push from behind and ease the screen out. Gently lift the screen up and ease the ribbon cables from the bottom of the phone. You can now replace the screen.